Hey YouTube, what is up? Today I'll be doing the unboxing of the Razer Black Widow Ultimate. And it's a new keyboard I just got. Mechanical keyboard. Really nice. It's like 110, I think. Here's the back. That's what the keyboard looks like. And here we go. Just gonna put this down for a second. Okay. Wait, can I strip this off? Do I need scissors? Sorry guys. There it goes. Great, okay. Okay. Here we go. Here is the front part of it. Nice lime green. Oh, I can't even put it down again. Wow. Keep that box. Jeez. Wow, this looks really nice, guys. Really nice. It is. I'm gonna show you step by step what comes with this. This is just a box of some sort. That comes with absolutely nothing. Next box is probably the same deal. See, so this one is not good. I'm just gonna take it out of its box there. Wow, big keyboard. There we go. Do have it. Some big Razer thing here. A bunch of things in there. I don't even know what that is. Okay. So, yeah, there's just an empty box, guys. I'm not gonna show you that. Nothing. Here's the cables. Three of the cables. Here's the DC keyboard. There's an F17. Wow. Wow. Okay, well that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.